Hello everyone! Today at our LARTE Design studio we have a brand new project. One more model in the Missuro body kit series, spectacular sporty coupe Infiniti QX55. When developing the kit, we tried to emphasize the sporty character of the car and add dynamics and exclusivity to the image. Missuro body kit is made from composite materials with a glossy black finish, and the visual effect of the car have become even bright and more aggressive. The LARTE branded element is our famous radiator grille, sharp edges and logo shield LARTE Design. So it is installed on the original mounting places, camera stands on its place and works properly. So with these elements, your Infiniti QX55 will become immediately recognizable among numerous Infiniti fans. On the front bumper, we have installed the splitter. It consists of 3 parts with the aerodynamic fins on the side and central part. It does not affect the clearance of the car and makes the front view of your Infiniti QX55 even more sporty. The most interesting element of the kit is the rear diffuser with aggressive design. We have added aggressive fins in the central part and additional brake lights. They match the original optics in color and tone, looks spectacular and provide additional safety on the road at night. Double muffler tips painted matte black, set on a regular exhaust system and does not affect the car warranty. The diffuser itself goes on the standard mounting places. All parking sensors work correctly, so the installation will be really easy. Look what a complex and interesting design the diffuser has acquired. Also on the rear bumper we have added these rear bumper trims with the fins, which we have already seen on the front bumper splitter. This creates a unified image of the car and make it more aggressive. All the edges of the parts from the Missuro body kit follows the line of the car and makes the image more balanced but expressive. We have created 2 spoilers for the Missuro project for the Infiniti QX55. On this car, you can see the spoiler on the trunk lid with an interesting design, which evokes a sense of speed. A little bit later, we will represent the roof spoiler and rims, especially for this project. All the parts are self-sufficient and can be installed separately. Together with our team, we can create a unique look for your Infiniti QX55, and you can act as a designer, combining and choosing the colors. Let's implement all your ideas together. We will discuss all the questions and choose the best options for you. Together, we will make the image of your car the same as you designed it yourself, and you will like it even more. Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, write comments. Your opinion is really important for us. We wish you all the best, LARTE Design team.